In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a registration form in Wix. Adding a registration form to your Wix website can be a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through each step so that you can seamlessly integrate this feature into your site. Let's get started. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website editor. Open your browser and navigate to wix.com, and once you're logged in, select the website you want to edit and enter the editor. This space is where you'll be able to create, customize, and manage the various components of your site, including registration forms. Next, look towards the left-hand side of your editor interface where you'll find the Add Elements button. By clicking here, you open up a world of possibilities for enhancing your site's functionality and design. The Elements section is like your toolbox, providing you with various options to enrich the user experience on your website. Once you've clicked Add Elements, it's time to focus on Contact and Forms. This section is crucial as it contains various templates and tools you can use to communicate with your site visitors effectively. The importance of this step cannot be understated, as good communication tools can significantly impact how users interact with your site. Under Contact and Forms, find the Registration option. Selecting this will guide you to the registration forms available within Wix, crafted to make the registration process easy for your site's visitors. Adding a registration form is not only essential for building a community, but also for gathering users' information effortlessly and securely. After you've clicked Registration, you'll find a selection of form types. Choose one that best suits your needs. When browsing these forms, consider the information you wish to collect and how that will help you improve your service or user engagement. With your form selected and nice added to your page, you'll want to make it stand out. Click the Highlight option to ensure the form catches the eye of your visitors. Highlighting the registration form can enhance its visibility, prompting users to take quick action to sign up or register, thus boosting your site's user interaction. Now, with the form highlighted, click on Edit Form to tailor it to your specific needs. Here you can modify the fields, adjust form settings, and personalize the design to match your brand's style. Taking the time to edit your form assures that you cater to both aesthetic tastes and functional needs. Finally, once you've made those changes, take another look to ensure everything is highlighted as needed. Spend a moment to review your registration form setup and make any additional adjustments to optimize user engagement and information collection. With these steps, you're well on your way to effectively adding a registration form to your Wix site. This feature will enhance your website's functionality and improve user interaction, paving the way for a more connected online community. Thank you for watching, and happy website editing!